Hello, dear friends. This is the Foam Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this short video, I want to show you and tell you how to add your Instagram post to the archive. All information about the publication will be saved only for you. The likes and comments will be saved. Click on our publication and find 3 dots in the corner. Click here. A menu will appear where we choose the item, Archive. As soon as we click on this button, our publication will be immediately hidden and no one will see it. All data will be saved and you can get your publication back. How to restore it? Very simple. To do this, go to the profile and click on the 3 bars, and in that menu, choose Archive. All the photos that we sent to the archive will appear. We can choose our publication. We dig it up and click on the 3 dots. After that, click on the item, Show on Profile. Click here. Now we go out and refresh our page, and we see that the publication has been restored. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Foam Support. Bye. See you later.